Ramadan has the outer aspect, the physical, where we don't eat or drink or have sexual relations after the dawn begins, until the setting of the sun. That is the physical. We avoid food, drink, sexual relations, and things that lead to it until the setting of the sun. However, the inner aspect of the fast, the purpose for which Allah has prescribed that, can only be achieved if we are conscious of what the soul of the fast is. If we're not conscious, we're not aware, we're only thinking that fasting is not eating and drinking in the daylight hours, eating and drinking before and eating and drinking after, then we will not attain or achieve the soul, the essence, the heart of fasting. We will have fulfilled the legal requirement, Sharia. According to the Sharia, we fasted. That legal requirement is fulfilled. You will not be required to make this fast over again. But if we do not grasp the essence of the fast, the soul of Ramadan, then we do not earn for ourselves any reward. All we have done is removed the obligation of fasting from ourselves. That's all.
La ilaha illallah.